our education system does not teach character because the current culture hasn't decided what's admirable. So in the absence of not having a consensus on what's admirable, character is sort of just disregarded. So then pop culture and other things fill in what's admirable that the kids look up to. Do you remember, like, Charles Barkley had that statement, like, I'm not your role model. So because there was an absence of leadership or absence of role models of people with good character, something to aspire to, something heroic. Maybe now we have this sort of movie hero worship. So all the kids are looking at celebrities and TV shows and musicians, and that's the character they're modeling, because maybe there's an innate drive to mimic heroes that society says this is a model to be. And our education system maybe has dropped the ball on that, or maybe has actively tried to destroy the idea of character. Social media and all the eBay, Uber, we're using everybody else's reputation scores, and now we don't care about character. We can mix and mash all our trust relationships because we trust the technology as filtering this person's reliable, this person isn't reliable. But tons of people on Amazon, you buy a product, they bribe you to give a 5-star rating, or they bribe you to give ratings. So now the rating system's been hacked by bad actors. So that's character is part of your character, and reputation means other people can trust you, and then you can trust other people with character. And then when that social glue and fabric gets torn apart by using algorithms or some other mechanism to cheat trust, to hack people's trust system, then society just falls apart. I'll finish on that.